So this here is the White Lightning Easy Clean. It's a bike chain degreaser. I've been using it for about 5 years. This stuff is actually really good. I'm a fan of it. Of course, the containers have changed over the years. They've gotten a little bigger as well, but directions are super easy. Squirt easy clean onto the grunge brush, I'll show you that, or directly onto the chain, gears, or derailleur. To remove final residues, wipe with a rag, rinse with water. When chain is dry, lubricate with a premium quality Lightning bicycle chain lube. Whatever lube you really prefer. I actually do use the White Lightning, but the stuff right here, amazing. So when using the grunge brush, you can come up into here, back pedal, and get right into your rear cassette really good. You can also use this end here to clean the jockey wheel, or the jockey gear, or your derailleur, to really kind of get in there and clean any stuff out. It's really good. To use the actual brush, which I have the actual cleaner on right now, once again, back pedal again, and just get those, there you go. Turn it about 1/4 of a turn if you want to get the other side of the chain, or if you need to get to the other side of the chain, and then come on back. Super easy, right? And with anything, come back with your rag, wipe off your degreaser. Make sure you get it all nice and clean. So this is a good point right now when you're doing some preventive maintenance on your bike to kind of really look into making sure that everything is solid and not worn out by checking to see if there's any slop in your chain back and forth inside of the link. So I train people to fix industrial machines, and that's one thing that I always teach people. If you're touching it and you've cleaned it and you've had your hands on it, then you're aware of what kind of condition it is. And you're also aware of if you have any loose segments, anything slipping. It's just a really good habit to get into, to really get hands on. Of course, don't get hands on when you're pedaling the bike because, well, that would just be stupid. This chain has seen some better days. It is getting time to replace it, so I'm gonna go ahead and order a new chain for this bike. But for today, the riding that we're gonna do, I think this bike chain will be fine. The links don't really have a lot of slop in them. The chain is just worn. It is older, and I want it to actually have a smoother transition. I went ahead already and adjusted the rear derailleur. It was off a little bit. It really had a hard time making this mega range. I did offset that a little bit on the cable adjustment. So if you guys would be interested in seeing more videos that show bike adjustments, maybe bicycle repair, let me know. I'm gonna post these underneath Dirty Pedal on Instagram, or I'll be posting them to the bicycle repair Facebook group. If it's something you're interested in, or if there's something you would like to see being done, let me know. I would love to help you out because I kind of like fixing bikes. So I've gone through now and I've went ahead and cleaned off and dried off this rear cassette, and I've already cleaned off all the degreaser from this chain. I personally don't wipe it down with water. What I like to do is once it's been sitting for a while. So this is the Easy Lube from White Lightning. I really like this stuff. What I'll do is I'll lube up the chain. I'll lube up any pivot points in the front derailleur or the rear derailleur, and just kind of go from there right now. Like I said, I am going to change out this chain, so I'll be showing you guys that probably in one of the next videos. So whenever you're lubing up a chain, make sure you're really taking advantage of lubing the inside of the link where the actual transition is going on. A lot of people will tend just to try to clean the outside of the chain, which is fine. It needs to be done, but this is your most crucial area right into here, okay? Make sure you're really lubing that chain. The way it works is this is a pivot point right here. If this dries out and you're only lubing it up here, this is still going to go bad, and it's going to wear the pin that goes through the bushing on the chain itself. Something you really want to kind of stay away from doing. But anyway, we're going to lube this chain up. I'm just going to put a little lubrication back here on the cassette since I did clean and dry this all off. I'm going to hit that front derailleur, rear derailleur here, and we're going to go hit the trail. So you guys have a great day.